In this video, I'm going to show you instant fixes for the no antenna input issue on your Vizio TV so you can get back to watching your favorite channels. Let's jump right in. First, check the physical connections. Ensure your antenna is securely plugged into the ANT cable port on the back of your Vizio TV. If you're using a coaxial cable, make sure it's not damaged and is tightly connected. Next, perform a channel scan to detect available over-the-air OTA channels. Press the Input button on your Vizio remote. Select Antenna and go to the menu. Navigate to Tuner mode and ensure it's set to air instead of cable. Then, run a new channel scan by going to Settings 73, System, Channel Scan, and selecting Auto Scan. This process may take a few minutes but should find all available channels. If the issue persists, try adjusting your antenna placement. Move it closer to a window or higher up for better signal reception, and ensure it's facing the direction of broadcast towers in your area. You can also test with a different antenna to rule out hardware issues. Another quick fix is restarting your Vizio TV. Unplug it from the power outlet for 30 seconds, then plug it back in and repeat the channel scan. If none of these steps work, reset your TV to factory settings by going to Settings or Course and System, and Scene, Reset and Admin. Reset TV to factory defaults. Be aware that this will erase your custom settings. If the problem still isn't resolved, consult your antenna's manual or contact Vizio support for further assistance. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching, and I hope your Vizio TV's antenna input issue is fixed. Don't forget to share this video with others who might find it helpful.